Look how
We're going to have slick spots.
snowing.
Snow and ice mixed. We're going to have rain mixed in with that too at times during the morning. It builds during
There's
the
so
day.
much snow coming
We're
from
going to get
there.
snow by noontime with some wet ice all kind of mixed in with that with rain.
There's a blizzard. Look, it's already been like 5 minutes and that's how much is piled up.
Overnight, 12 inches of snow in the
Gonna
city.
go in the forest
12 to
and
18 inches of snow
yeah.
north and west. North and east you go. Could be upwards of 30.
It's snowing wild. It's so scary. And a minute ago
it wasn't snowing at all. That was just snowing like a blizzard. Besides, we're
No,
gonna have a
actually,
blizzard today if you live in New York or New York City. It's gonna be a challenge getting home. And this is only on Long Island. Damn.
stop, Maddie. They'll track you down if they find out your whole address. Well, bye-bye.